Hello friends, I am Mukesh Singh, and today what we are going to do is we are going to learn about Docker volume. The main problem of Docker containers is if we rerun a Docker container, it loses the data. So say we have a MongoDB and uh, we have run it as a container and we had created many data on it, and after that we have to like somehow we have to delete that container and we have to recreate it. So that time we lose all our data. To solve that problem, we use Docker volumes. So let's jump into the demo where we can see Docker volume, how it works. So in this demo, we are going to understand practically how the Docker volume works and how we can persist the data. So for this, first of all, I'll go and I'll clone up the repo, one example which Docker provides. So for that purpose, git clone and this multi-container app. So this is a simple app where there is a web app and a MongoDB, a to-do list application. And as you know, when we are saving the data in MongoDB, we'll be needing some kind of uh, storage, some kind of volume to persist the data. So in this, uh, what we'll do is we'll run another command to run this app. Now it is cloned. So first of all, what we need to do is we need to move to the directory where the project is. So cd multi-container app, and here we are. So now the command is docker compose up, and I'll run it as in detach mode. So docker compose up and hyphen d. So now, as already I had ran this example couple of times, so it is not downloading any images or anything. For you, it will take a while to run it for first time. So now if I go to my Docker desktop and show you this container, and here it is running it multi-layer. And now it had created the volumes, but this is an anonymous volume. So now you can see here it has a big hash name. So this, and let's go and run the application. So here if you can see this to do app, and this is MongoDB. So if I go and run localhost port 3000, so now we have, so just put some data. I occur say, and another something .NET and maybe fun. Uh, Okay. So now what we are going to do is we are going to stop the container and rerun it and see whether the data persists or not. So what we'll do is here we go to this containers and delete this, delete forever. So it's deleted. So now go back to console and run again this Docker compose. So now it's again started. And if we come to browser and refresh it, now everything is gone. Again, we have to start from fresh. Okay, so now we'll see how we can uh, avoid this problem. Like every time if the container is recreated, we'll lose the data. So what we'll do is we'll again delete this. Okay, now it's deleted. And we come to this multi-container app and just open it in Visual Studio Code. It is open. And here, if you see, we have this volumes at line number 32. So what we'll do is we'll uncomment this, these two lines. So what it does is here to do database, it attaches this named volume database and it maps the path to data slash db in MongoDB container. So here we have. So now we'll save it. Saved. Okay. Let's again go to terminal and here again same command docker compose up -d. So now you can see it has this volumes as well. So if we now go to here, again we have this multi and in volumes, if you see, we have this multi-container app database volume as well. So now if we run the application and put some data and let's see whether it persists or not. This time maybe I'll give some name, okay, and mm, okay, and say Ramesh. Okay, and again what I'll do is I'll go ahead and delete the container and recreate it. So this is deleted and again if I go here and do docker compose and now it is started and if you can see here it didn't created this docker volume which earlier he did it did. So now it will be using same volume. That's the advantage of using named volume. So if I refresh it, the data is intact. So now if we come here in volumes, we have this same volume and no other anonymous volumes are created. And so now every time when we uh, create a container again, like same container again, every time it creates this anonymous volume. So there is a command to clean it up, like all the unused volumes. So we'll go to here and here we can do this docker volume prune prune if I spell it right. So it is asking this will remove anonymous local volumes not used by at least one container. So yes, and it deleted all these five volumes which were earlier created. So now if we again go to this Docker desktop and here you can see only one where which is used by the web app and the another named volume which is used by our MongoDB. So with this, so that's it for this demo. Please like, share, and put some comment if you like it. What and even if you haven't liked it, you want more information on it or anything else, just let me know. And please do subscribe. It motivates me a lot. So thank you.